Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get piano in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I've obtained a piano and I've placed this piano in my house. So now I'm able to play the piano. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can get this piano. If you want to obtain piano, you need to go to the event menu and then select the 7-day sign in. Okay, and here basically you don't need to do anything guys. You just need to claim the reward. You can claim it for free. And you will get this piano on day 3. And I've just claimed this piano. And once you complete all days, on day 7 you will get this car, this white Sedan. Okay guys, and that's how you can obtain a piano in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.